Hey, what's up YouTube? Alright, so I'm at the DMV with a student. We're gonna run through the driving test one last time. You'll notice it's dark because it's actually 6:30 in the morning, so it's not gonna be all that light, but we're gonna do it. Alright, so I'm gonna run through the test once. I'm gonna ask you to please like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Hit that notification bell. If you're new to the channel, I welcome you to the channel. Check back often. Alright, so we're gonna run through the test one time with the student, and then we're gonna get her on the line. Alright, so they're gonna ask you, if you're parked facing uphill, what direction do you turn the steering wheel? Left, away from the curb. What else do you do?
Left from the curb and
put the car in park. Pull up your parking brake. Turn off the ignition. You gotta remember that. Alright, so now we're gonna reverse. They're gonna ask you to do the turn signal, by the way. Go ahead. Signal left, signal right. Blow the horn. Okay, press the brake. Put that in park, by the way. So you press and release the brake. Alright, so they're checking to make sure all the lights are working. Alright, reverse from here, and we're gonna go to the left. So look behind you as you reverse. Look both ways here. And when your mirror gets to the end of the line like that, stop right there, turn all the way to the right, and then continue looking behind you as you roll back. Okay, that's good enough. Stop there, put the car in drive. Alright, we're gonna go to the stop sign down here and make a left turn. So you make sure you're driving on the right side, right? Just like that. And you're making a left, so you signal left. Every single time that they tell you to turn, you signal. If you don't signal, you're gonna lose 4 points for each one. Alright, go ahead, make a left. And we're gonna go down to the end of this little area and make another left. I see the lady already came out, so you gotta get on the line as soon as we're done with this. Alright, signal left. Going to come to a complete stop here. 1, 2, 3. Look to the right, look to the left, make sure there's nothing coming, and go ahead and stay on your right side as you go down this little back road here, and you're gonna make a left turn down in the end. Alright, stay close to your right as usual as you go around this corner. Alright, so we're making a right turn right down here past this tree. Signal right. So remember, I say go out just a little bit and then slow down as you go around the corner. So when you go around the corner, make sure you're staying close to your right, but not close enough where you would hit that curb, right? Yes. Stop here. So they're gonna make you stop here. Again, the examiners are actually now gonna be in the car with you. So they're gonna be sitting right here. They're gonna tell you to stop about right here. Speed up to 20 and do a sudden stop. So go ahead, do that. Speed up, 20. And stop. Okay. All right, reverse, straight back. You're a little bit over on the left side. You see that, right? Yes. Keep the wheel straight. Keep the wheel straight as you back up. Look behind. And they want you looking behind. They do not want you using the mirror. So you look behind, and when they tell you to stop, then you stop. So go ahead and stop about here. Now we're gonna go down and go around the corner to park. Alright, make sure you signal left. Stay close to your right side as usual, and we're going to park in between these cones, so stay close to the right. You're gonna go up and line up your mirror with the first cone, and then you just gotta signal left. Do it slowly, all the way left, nice and easy, and then you roll into the space nice and slow. Straighten up and stop before you hit that curb. Alright, okay, reverse, straight out, and we're gonna go to the left to do the 3-point turn. So look behind. Alright, so you're going left, so you're turning all the way to the right. When your mirror is past the middle, see the little middle line right there? When your mirror is past that, then you're going to stop. Pull up next to the white line on the right side because we're going to do the 3-point turn. Alright, 3-point turn, so you make sure you stop. Signal all the way left. Make sure you stop before you hit that curb. Alright, go ahead all the way to the right. And when you back up here, make sure your mirror is just right past the middle line. Because if you back into the space, they can and will fail you for that. So you back up, and when your mirror is past the middle, back up slowly. When your mirror is past the middle line. See the middle line right there? Like right there. You put the car back in drive, signal left. And turn all the way left. We're going to go to the stop sign and make a left turn. Alright. Alright, stop completely and do 1, 2, 3. Alright. We're going to go back to the front and park and get you on that line and look at the line at the DMV. 636. And as usual, it's super long. Quick look at the line. See that? Alright, so go around this corner. Alright, make a right turn. Mr. Vernon. I pull in here. There go my other yellow car. Y'all remember that yellow car? Straighten up. And stop. Alright, put the car in park. Alright, how you think you did?
Decent.
Decent? I think you did great, actually. So yeah, you're gonna pass. I expect her to pass with 100%. She did really well. So yeah, again, go ahead, like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Hit that notification bell, and I will see you in the next video. I'll put in the description what she did on her test, by the way. Alright, bye.